this cold and rainy Saturday from Cleveland Hopkins International Airport, Air Canada Jazz 729 inbound from Toronto. It is cold, it is windy, it is rainy. But hey, we have a special livery heavy jet coming in here in a little bit. Looking forward to bringing that to you. Hope y'all having a great weekend. Merry Christmas to everyone. Happy holidays. Thank you all for being here. A Flexjet Gulfstream inbound. Speaking of Gulfstreams, we have this one that just came in a little bit ago. It is not even painted. They brought it in for maybe customs or something. That's pretty cool. According to Flight Radar 24, our unpainted Gulfstream is heading to Venice. What a neat aircraft. That could be a paint job, but it looks a lot like an unfinished paint job on it. Neat. Speaking of private jets, I saw Embraer announce that they are going to build a customer service facility as well as, I believe, a maintenance facility here in Cleveland to service the Embraer private jets. I don't know if it's going to go here or if it's going to go at County, but I saw that press release came out yesterday. United added a couple more flights too, Phoenix and Las Vegas. Check this out, 2569, a Star Alliance 777 inbound from Houston. Meanwhile, the Gulfstream taxiing over to 24 left. They should be heading out. Supposedly they're heading to Venice. They boarded a takeoff. It is 737 inbound from Houston. Starting to rain again up here. The 777 is cool, but this might be the catch of the day. Down in Columbus today, they're getting a Dreamliner, probably for the Ohio State Buckeyes. I was going to go down and get that today, but between the weather and the Star Alliance 777, I decided to stay up here. Plus, we went to see the Trans-Siberian Orchestra downtown last night and got home pretty late, so we'll keep an eye on when that Dreamliner goes back to Columbus. Maybe we'll go back and get it next time when it comes back in. Taking it back to the hangar. I don't know if they were actually taking off or if that was just a test. Frontier. Almost took these guys today. I looked at going down to Orlando again with the Frozen livery coming in today. Decided we'll save our money and maybe go back here in a couple of weeks once we get past the holiday rush. Triple 7 heading over to pad 3. We'll probably drive over in a few minutes to get it. Wait for all the traffic over there to move. I wanted to get some arrivals before I went over. Should be leaving around 1:30. Taking the Browns to Houston. I'm going to play the Texans tomorrow. Christmas Eve game. Frontier 2920 inbound from Tampa. Delta connection 5030 inbound from JFK. Just got an alert that there is an alert 2 right now for an aircraft emergency. So in the background you might see they got fire trucks lined up all along 24 left. Got a Cessna Citation with a landing gear issue, so we'll keep an eye on that. So looking across the field, we got fire trucks, ambulances staged all across the runway 24 left, all along runway 24 left. I apologize. Should be another one over here too. We'll keep an eye and see what happens here. United Express Flight 3439 inbound from Newark. So an update on the emergency aircraft is actually more severe than the alert that came out on Twitter that I just saw. The pilot just called on the radio and said that the landing gear is not down. At least that's what the aircraft has indicated. They might do a low flyby. So fingers crossed everything works out. It's a NetJet Citation. So they got 7 people on board. But doing circles over the lake, they're gonna fly by, and they haven't decided if they're gonna land or if they're gonna do a low pass. So I guess we'll see what happens. But they're gonna land on the left side. So we'll see. Meanwhile, across the field, the Star Alliance 777. We're taking the Browns to Houston here in a little bit. Actually, it was delayed a little bit. Looks like it's gonna leave a little after 2. So we'll keep an eye on that. We'll go to the other side, get some pictures of it, and then get it taken off. Browns will clinch a playoff berth if they can win against Houston tomorrow, so fingers crossed. The pilot just called back, no update on the landing gear, but they're going to come over to 24 right and do the approach over here. So they got to move all the trucks over to the right side now. This should be the emergency aircraft. Looks like the landing gear is down. like everything worked out. It's good to see. Yeah, trucks are out there chasing it now. Looks like everything's okay. What you want to see? Must be a firefighter funeral. These guys have a tough job for sure. Southwest Flight 725 inbound from Nashville. It's a little chilly up here today, but quite honestly, for the 23rd of December, you really can't complain. It's supposed to be in the 50s on Christmas Day. Hard to believe. American 1554. This is one of the 737s with the winglet logo. And they are inbound from DFW. I lose it behind the tree. Got a Embraer Phenom inbound from Stewart. Hope everyone has a great weekend planned. Spend some time with your friends and family. Don't work too hard. Whether you celebrate Christmas or Hanukkah or any of the other holidays this time of year, hope you have a safe one. Spend a lot of time with your loved ones. Celebrate traditions and make memories. And if you're going through hard times or grieving, my thoughts are with you. I know this is a really tough time of year for some people. It's wonderful for a lot of people, the memories and everything going on, but I certainly know for people, especially those who are maybe going through the loss of a loved one, Christmas can be pretty tough. So definitely thinking of you and hope you power through. Be up here again probably tomorrow to do some spotting. Thought about doing a live stream. We'll see what the weather does. But looking forward to enjoying Christmas and New Year's. Delta Connection 5618 inbound from Boston. Probably switch sides in a couple of minutes. We'll go get up close to the 777 and then go to the departure in and get that leaving. Scheduled for 1:30, more than likely probably closer to 2, but we'll try to go get that out of here. Hopefully we're getting some mist moving in now too.
At 600, expect vector after base time.
United Flight 2535, our 777 Star Alliance livery, heading to Houston with the Cleveland Browns on board. Browns can clinch a playoff berth if they win this weekend.
Southwest 1678, cross runway 24 left at 0, then taxi Lima, Juliet 5, Juliet to the gate.
Alright, that'll do it for today from Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. We're going to head on home, finally get some lunch, and get out of the rain a little bit. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll probably be up here again tomorrow to do some more spotting. We'll just kind of have to see how the weather goes and what's all coming in. and go hang out with some family tomorrow night for Christmas Eve. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down below, comment down below. We'll be out here doing some more spotting over the next few days, and got a couple more trips planned. I'm looking forward to bringing those to you. So hope you all have a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, stay safe, stay warm, and we'll catch you next time from Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. Have a great afternoon, everybody.